my man, and then there's bad guys, my man, right?
Can't you see how much I enjoy this? I'd never avoid this, 'cause buddy, I'm a different breed. This is my calling, and though it's appalling, I love making people bleed.
See that?
They say that everybody's gotta make a living, but I'm just happy killing. It's so fulfilling. Some people need to die, and I'm happy to help. These people ain't gonna kill themselves. Somebody's gotta do it. So it might as well be me. They say to do what you love, and I love doing this. Hell, I'd even do it for free.
You're sick.
This is my job, and I do it very, very passionately. Somebody's gotta do it, so it might as well be